If you've been wondering how to make your LinkedIn profile stand out from the crowd, this is a video for you. It's been a while since my first LinkedIn video. The platform has changed quite a bit, but having an optimized LinkedIn profile is still an essential part of professional networking and social media. So how to make a great LinkedIn profile? I'm Marat from EMMOTION, and after years of experience in corporate HR and in executive search, I know exactly what recruiters and hiring managers consider a good LinkedIn profile. If you are not subscribed to my channel yet, then definitely hit the subscribe below and enable the notification bell so you won't miss out my weekly professional growth content. Also, tap the like button if you are ready to proceed. Let me jump right into the first tip: reaching AllStar level. You know, one of the worst things is starting a LinkedIn profile and leaving it incomplete. And about 50% of profiles on LinkedIn are still not complete. The more complete is your profile, the more possibilities you have in getting noticed by a recruiter. The complete profile is called AllStar on LinkedIn. It will make you appear at the top of all the relevant profile searches. To find out your profile level, go to Me icon and check your profile. In your dashboard, which is private to you, you can see the level of your profile strength meter. To add work experience, click on the plus sign, enter the title and then the company name, work tasks and duties. The same process is applied while adding your education section. Add the title and then enter the university name. So keep adding and filling more sections until you reach AllStar level. It's essential for your resume to match your LinkedIn profile because your potential future employers will check. But LinkedIn offers so much more possibilities to stand out, and that takes me to my next tip: uploading a good LinkedIn profile picture. LinkedIn has reported that profiles with a picture get 15 times more profile views and 8 times more connection requests than the profiles without them. While you can leave your photo out of your resume, on LinkedIn a good quality profile photo is essential. And what does a good quality profile photo mean? Your LinkedIn profile picture is one of the first things that the recruiters and hiring managers look at as soon as they look you up on LinkedIn. You want to have a photo which is recent and which is a high-resolution shot, or a high-quality one if you prefer. As I said, make sure the picture is recent and looks like you. A well-lit close-up face shot is the best option. It's a good idea having a neutral background. Wear what you would wear to work. No over-the-top accessories, sunglasses, hats, or smoking in a profile shot. Ideally smiling and looking into the camera. Let's go through a few LinkedIn shots for us to understand what a professional shot for LinkedIn is and what is not. And while we are at it, the next tip is customizing your LinkedIn background photo. It's something very easy to do, and it gives your profile an instant professional feel. To do that, click on the Me icon, click the Edit in your intro card. In the pop-up, click the Edit on the right top corner of your background photo. You can select a picture which represents your personal brand, and maybe add a short value pitch along with it. Let me give you a few examples of those interesting background pictures. There are websites which offer you some great backgrounds to use for free as well. For example, Unsplash.com. The next tip is changing your headline to create a more eye-catching one. To really stand out on LinkedIn, don't waste a good opportunity to customize your LinkedIn professional headline, which by default is your last job title. Think of your headline as of a business card title. It has to be clear. As I said, by default, your most recent job title is your current LinkedIn headline. You will have to go to your headline, press Edit button, and customize it using words that define your profile and which you think would make it easier for others to find you. Don't make your headline bland and boring. If you are a job seeker, don't just put "actively seeking new opportunities." That doesn't add any value. Explain in short what you do and who you help, so recruiters or hiring managers can get an instant idea of what you bring to the table. Here are some headline examples. graphic designer, motion animation. I help companies create images that lead to more conversion and sales. Corporate learning manager, helping companies in instructional design, learning and development management. Or my current tagline, which is HR business partner, helping businesses and professionals to reach their employment targets in a most effective way. Founder of EMMOTION. And the next would be writing a LinkedIn about summary that represents you. Personalized cover photos and headlines are extremely helpful, but your LinkedIn summary is the best place to drive action. It is your chance to tell your own professional story, turning it into your personal sales pitch. How are you hoping to connect with people? And most importantly, why would anyone want to connect with you? What do you bring to your audience? Don't forget to use keywords that relate to your field or industry. Our attention span is usually very short these days, so be creative and concise while drawing a picture of you as a professional. I made a step-by-step video on how to write a good LinkedIn summary. I'm adding it up in the description and to the card on your screen. One of the easiest to do and very practical tips is customizing your LinkedIn profile URL. This will help you to brand yourself better. It allows you to reference your LinkedIn page easily on your resume, business cards, and any other document. To do this, click on the Me icon. Click the Edit Public Profile and URL section. You will find the URL section on the top right corner. Your URL could be your full name or your business name. And once you get your custom LinkedIn profile URL, you should promote it. You can add your LinkedIn profile URL to your email signature, to your business cards, or other marketing materials you might use. You can also share it on your website or any other social media where you have an active profile. To make your profile more complete and to really stand out, ask for recommendations. Many hesitate to ask for recommendations from their current or previous colleagues, but these recommendations are a must. Because your profile is you talking about who you are and what you have done. However, the recommendations are an impressive opportunity to have others reinforce your claims. And this is how you ask for a recommendation. Click the Me icon, select Profile View. Scroll down to Recommendations section and click Ask to be recommended. Type the name of the connection you'd like to ask for a recommendation. In the Who do you want to ask field, select the name from the drop-down. Fill out the relationship and the position at the time in the pop-up window and click Next. You can include a personalized message with your request by changing the text in the message field. Then click Send. You don't need to ask for 10 recommendations at once. Go step by step. Choose carefully who you ask a recommendation from. Those should be people who you worked, collaborated, or who know you as a professional. I continue to the next tip, adding and managing your LinkedIn Skills and Endorsements section. According to LinkedIn, members who list skills on their profiles receive 12 times more profile views on average than those who don't. Keywords play a crucial role, especially when the hiring searches are conducted. So build out your Skills and Endorsements section with relevant keywords for which you want to be found. Fill in all the 50 slots of skills which LinkedIn allows you to. This will help you to get spotted. And as I said, recruiters are constantly searching LinkedIn for keywords, so you will definitely be appearing in more searches. If you don't have any skills listed on your profile, the Skills and Endorsements section might not appear. To add this section, click on the Me icon, View Profile, click Add New Profile section on the right rail. Select Skills from the drop-down. Then type a name of a skill in the Skills text box and select it from the list that appears. It will automatically be added to the list of your skills. When Skills and Endorsements section has been added to your profile, you can include more skills at any time. Scroll down to Skills and Endorsements and click Add a New Skill. In the pop-up window, type the name of a skill in the text box, select it. If your skill doesn't appear, just type the full skill name in the field provided and then click on it to add. If you need ideas of what skills to put on, take a look at your resume. Check profiles of your colleagues or peers in the industry. Use those as an inspiration for your own profile. Add skills related to what you know how to do. For example, technical recruitment, competency-based behavioral interviews, software design, etc., etc. LinkedIn automatically ranks your skills by the number of endorsements you have. You will find out which specific skills you are best known for, because they will rise to the top of the list. Remember, when you endorse someone's skills, you are putting your name behind someone's ability to do something, helping them shape their professional profile. And just as I promised, the next tip is adding your name pronunciation to your profile. LinkedIn's name pronunciation feature is a great addition to the platform. It isn't just about being polite, it is so important while making a good first impression. Every LinkedIn member can now record a 10-second audio clip and add it to their profile, so other users can listen to it and learn how to correctly pronounce their name. And this is how it's done. Use the LinkedIn app, go to your LinkedIn profile, take a look at your profile. Now that you are reviewing your profile, you can see that there is an edit icon, pencil edit icon next to your name. Click on Add Name Pronunciation. It requires enabling the microphone access for the LinkedIn app. Press microphone icon to record. You have it on hold all the way through the recording. As I said, you get 10 seconds to record your name. You can replay and listen to it, and when you are satisfied with the result, click Save. Once a name pronunciation is uploaded to someone's profile, a speaker icon will appear next to their name, ready to be played. And with 10 seconds of audio available, you are even able to say more than just your name. And some profiles use it as a sales pitch too. So even if your name is really easy to pronounce, you should still take advantage of this feature, since it will make your LinkedIn profile and your personal brand more complete. By the way, you can't record or edit your name pronunciation on the LinkedIn desktop site just yet. As always, thanks for staying with me till the end. If you found this video useful, please thumb it up and share it with whoever you think it would be beneficial to. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and see you in my next video coming up.